Getting rid of clothes. This is what the place is looking like so far. What's up, guys? Welcome to my pre-show with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, and come over to everything Tish. Okay, it's time to move. I booked some movers. Y'all gonna come on this new journey with me? I got approved for a new place. Okay, so I got my 3X or 4X on. The movers are coming on Saturday. It's currently Thursday. I got approved yesterday and I got the call today. So I went and got some boxes from Dollar Tree, okay? Because I'm not paying for boxes to throw the boxes away. Much like trash bags, you pay for them to go to put trash in to then throw away. Anyways, let me show you guys what my apartment looks like right now. Because am I moving to an apartment, a house, a condo, whatever? Stick around. It's gonna be a series because I got a lot going on. So let me show you guys what my apartment looks like right now. I'm going to put my washer and dryer up for sale. I'm going to sell my bed frame because I want something else. I already sold my couch, okay? I've been laying on the floor. Let me show y'all the place right now. All those boxes, it's a lot, it's a lot. I'm so excited that I went to Dollar Tree and they were like, you can have those boxes. I said, thank you. This is what the place is looking like so far. There's really not much on top of this counter, but it does look messy because of everything else underneath it. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. Bedroom is a mess. Hello. I'm getting rid of clothes. I've already gotten rid of some. The ones that are on the ground, I'm gonna get rid of. That, I'm so glad I got those boxes because all those little things are gonna go in there. I'm gonna mark them. We got a lot to do because I'm doing it by myself. So, Lego. I look a mess, right? I don't got nothing on, okay? So I don't wanna hear it. But I need to take pictures of my washer and dryer because I need to upload it on Facebook for somebody to try buy. Somebody offered up for my couch the second I put it on there and they came through. Cause I need to, well no, cause I still need to clean up when I get back here. You see it? She's living her life. Even if she acts like she don't want the limelight. But if you do it, she lives the life. She calls her paparazzi, then she acts surprised. Alright you guys, it's the next day, day 2 of me packing up. I'm not really gonna have a lot of days because the movers are coming tomorrow. But the videos are gonna be long. So it's gonna be part 1 through however I'm not. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. I got on the same blue shirt because when y'all seen me bringing those boxes last night, I was tired. And I had just put the shirt on because I was outside in a dress when I got those boxes. So I put the shirt on when I got inside to do the video to put the boxes inside. Took the shirt off, showered, went to bed. Now I'm up, just did a little bit of work. Oh God, oh my gosh, that's a new phone. But anyways, put my washer and dryer up for sale and somebody said they want to come pick it up at 7:30. So now I'm gonna wash what's left of my clothes. I'm going to have to stop at some point and go to my new place and do my first month deposit. So I don't really have a lot of time to do anything. So I'm gonna wash my clothes and unpack my shoes. I'm gonna try to pack those small things because I'm not moving the big things. That's gonna be for the movers. The small things need to be packed up today. Shoes, I'm gonna put the clothes in the oh my gosh, trash bags that I bought, and that's gonna be easy. They can just pick it up and just take them downstairs. But at least when I move stuff, the heavy stuff, everything that needs to be moved, whatever is left back, I'm still gonna have a few days in the week to go give them my key. So I'll come back and figure that part out. But as much as I can get out of here, I'm gonna get out with the movers. I'm already paying them. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to come over to Everything Tish. If I look ashy, oh well. Let's all mind our business and enjoy the vlogs, okay? All right.
cautious. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking.
Now we're gonna go into the closet and take out all of my black shoes, whatever, and put them in that same box. I don't want black and white mixing together, so I'll put the white ones on top. Yeah.
The mess it made, it usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy, they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You, no, 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 I've been thinking.
Okay, I have a good amount of heels, so I'm gonna have to put those in a different box, like casual stuff versus the heels.
I've been thinking about forever.
They're different.
Forever.